Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to print multiple real estate pop-by tags on one page from Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your finished tag design in Canva. Once you have your design ready and you're satisfied with how it looks, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu with various sharing and export options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Download. This option allows you to export your design in various formats depending on your needs. Clicking on Download is essential as it's the gateway to preparing your file for printing with the specific settings we need. Next, you'll see a file type selection menu appear. By default, Canva might show PNG or JPG, but for printing purposes, you need to change this. Click on the file type dropdown and select PDF from the available options. Then make sure to select Print as the PDF type. This ensures your file is optimized for high-quality printing rather than just digital viewing, which is crucial for getting crisp, professional-looking tags. Now, here's where you can fine-tune your print settings. Look for the Advanced Settings section and click to extend it. This will reveal additional options that give you more control over how your file is prepared for printing. Within these advanced settings, you'll see an option for crop marks and bleed. Go ahead and select this option by checking the box next to it. This is important because crop marks help your printer know exactly where to cut, and bleed ensures that your design extends slightly beyond the cut line, preventing any white edges from appearing on your final printed tags. With all your settings configured correctly, click the download button to begin exporting your file. This will initiate the download process and save your PDF to your computer. Depending on the complexity of your design and your internet connection, this might take just a few seconds. The system is now creating a print-ready PDF file with all the specifications you've selected. Once the download is complete, locate the PDF file in your Downloads folder and open it with your PDF viewer. Whether you're using Adobe Acrobat, Preview on Mac, or any other PDF viewer, opening this file allows you to verify that everything looks correct before sending it to your printer. You can now print multiple tags per page by adjusting your printer settings, saving both paper and printing costs. And that's it, you've successfully prepared your real estate pop-by tags for efficient multi-page printing with proper crop marks and bleed settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.